So these are around 6 months old.
And this is our mini farm.
Yes.
Mini farm. Well, first we're doing big.
Yes, first we're doing our micro mini pigs. Boo Bear, could you stand next to it so we can show our viewers how small it really is? Okay. Y'all can get... Yeah, there we go.
It's like 6 months old.
So, he's one for sale, and then this black one in here is for sale as well.
But this one likes to pet it.
That one likes affection. This one's kind of a touch-me-not at this moment. Yeah, it's upset that we're in its house. So those are the only two that are in here. So this is their house alone. We keep them separated because, like I said, we're selling these. Plus, they're boys, and we don't want them fighting with the other males against the girls.
You may be thinking 6 months old for that big. Well, they're not that big, okay?
Yeah, for 6 months, they're very, very small. Look at that.
Yeah, because tired of this. So seriously.
So it comes to about.
It's very small.
It comes to about here.
It's not.
So it's.
Not new.
It comes to about here. So it's super, super, super small. There you go. Now you can see. There we go. Oh, so it comes to about here. So, wow, that is tiny. He's right here. Can't you see him? That's tiny.
Yeah.
So, yeah, he's 6 months, going on 7. Both of them, they're from the same litter, even though they're different colors. The mom was this color, is this color, and the dad is black, as you can see. But here are our little boys, and we're going to go ahead and move on to other micro pigs that we have. So what we have here are our new micro mini babies. This one is a chipmunk pattern, as you can see. And this one's just all black with a little pink nose and pink socks. Now I want you to see the size. My hands are pretty small. It's okay. Look at that. It's alright, little guy. Just a little skittish right now. But there they are. So these were born a few days ago. They are the size of a kitten. And we haven't named them yet. Here they are. Yeah, he likes that. We're going to go ahead and bring them inside and snuggle with them. So here we go. Hey guys! We're back. So like we said, we brought our little babies inside.
Yes. Our mini micros.
Our mini micro piglets. Look how cute.
So these are newborns.
They are.
And this is black one that's brownish black.
It's chipmunk color, silly.
Oh. Yeah. So.
And let me just note that I look flawless today. So I'm not wearing any makeup except eye makeup. Okay. He's like, okay, are you done? So here we go.
They're so adorable.
Look at it. They're really calm. Oh. It was like, I'm calm, but I'm going to bite your face. This one's a little screechier. Okay.
Okay, those would be
So I believe we are selling both of them. I don't know how much my mom's selling them for. These are
probably
her,
50 each.
No, for micro mini piglets. Are you insane?
Sorry.
She's probably going to sell them for $300 to $500. 50 each. Out of your mind.
They're little.
Yeah, they don't, when they're full grown, they get about 30 pounds. So they're indoor piglets, they're pets, you know?
Well, let's keep this one at least.
We'll see. We already have a lot. It's up to Mom.
Yeah.
This is her little project. I'm doing other stuff that y'all will see in a little bit. Yeah. We are.
I'll be back. I need to get something.
Okay. I don't know where he's going. But aren't they adorable? Okay. I know. You're not about that life.
This calls for handy dandy.
He's like, I'll be back. I'm gonna go get candy.
Yeah, snack it is some mints and everything.
Yeah.
Call for some good ones.
So if y'all are considering getting a piglet, just in general, not from me or from me, probably not from me because I only have 2. But if you're planning on getting one, they are litter box trainable. This is what you have to do. When it poops, you just pick up the poop. Obviously, hopefully you have a glove or something, and you put the poop inside of a litter box, but you use wood chips instead, and then that trains them to keep going back and so they're litter box trainable. They're pretty chill. They eat mini pig food, which is sold at Tractor Supply. Some Walmart sell it, but not a lot of them. Yeah. If you're going to get a boy, make sure you get the boys fixed after around 6 months if it's going to be an indoor pet, because they tend to spray everywhere. They tend to hump things. You don't want that in your house. As for the girls don't need... See you? The girls don't need anything. They're fine. They don't need to be fixed unless you want them to be fixed, but it's not necessary. You know, their hygiene is fine. For pigs, they're fine. But yeah, guys, here they are. Give you one last look before we put them back.
Precious piggy.
So chipmunks are actually hard to find. They're not as common as black ones. They've not had as... Okay. I know. Okay. Even though they're not as common as black ones, I was saying they're not as common as black ones. But yeah, it's pushing on me. It's food. Okay.
Can I have my hair? You can have my... Look, have my finger instead.
But yeah, guys, here they are. They just need to calm down a little bit, like to snuggle. They need a lot of attention.